we're going to be recreating Jennifer Lopez's lip gloss nails. This is the new manicure trend that you are going to be seeing everywhere this year. Think sheer, pink and glossy. Here are some of my favourite Lecente colours to recreate this look. So we are looking for sheer, pinky, glossy skin tone colours that are complementing your client's natural skin tone. So it's kind of the clean girl aesthetic that we're going for in these lip gloss nails. So here are a few of my favourites. They're all sheer, super glossy and beautiful colours. I will link them all in the comments. Nails are already prepped. We want nice clean cuticles and a nice clean shape. The colour I'm going to use is Belissima. This is my ultimate favourite sheer pink for recreating the lip gloss nail look. So now going on with my first coat of Belissima. As you can see, it's sheer, it's shiny, it's really beautiful. So I have prepped a palette with a little bit of my colour and I've got a detailer brush to hand. This look is so simple, there's no nail art, which is great, but it does need to be perfect. So if you've got your detailer brush to hand, you can get in around your cuticle area and just make sure all your lines are really neat and tidy. Like I say, this is the clean girl aesthetic. We're looking for perfection. So use your detailer brush just to get really up close to those nice, neat cuticle lines that you should have created, and make sure that your polish is covering the entire nail. So I'm continuing to apply my first coat, making sure I'm getting close to that cuticle. I'm capping the edges. Like I say, the simplicity in this design or this manicure is simple, but it needs to be perfect. That is what is going to give you that real clean girl aesthetic finish. So my first coat is cured and I'm now ready to apply my second coat of colour. One of the features of this manicure, although it is sheer, is it has depth to it. So adding multiple coats of your colour, i.e. 2 coats, is going to give you that glassy depth and real nice look to the finished product. So as I've already mentioned, the key to this design is the perfection in it. So as you are applying your polish, make sure you are checking to make sure there's not any bits of fluff sticking out or any bits of dust, because these are going to ruin your overall finished look. You really are after a perfectly smooth application. Mistakes are easily corrected before you cure your gel. So if you do notice any fluff or dust, or if you do happen to flood the cuticle area or the sidewalls, make sure that is corrected before you place it in the lamp. Never place it in the lamp if you can see you flooded your cuticle or sidewalls. Remove it, as I am about to here, using a brush or a lint-free wipe, but do not put it in the lamp. It is so much harder to correct this once it is cured, and it will show so much and ruin the overall effect of your perfect manicure. So my 2 coats are all cured and I'm ready to go on with my top coat. I'm using Lecente Original Top Coat. This top coat is super, super shiny, so it's going to give us that real glossy finish that we want for this look. The best thing about this top coat is the shine isn't just for your fresh application. This shine lasts. This is a real hard-wearing, tough top coat which will keep its shine for the duration of your client's gel manicure. So when they come back to you, these nails are still going to be super, super shiny. I love this top coat. It is my favourite. Again, we are making sure we fully encapsulate that full colour. So you want to make sure that you are getting as close to the cuticle and sidewalls without touching it as possible, and capping every nail with that for that sheer glossy finish. If you feel you want to go for a little bit more depth and glossiness, then why not try applying a second coat of top coat, just to give you that depth that makes the clean girl aesthetic so pleasing to the eye. So I'm just going with 1 coat of top coat. That's all I feel is needed with this Lecente top coat. And these nails look amazing. I'm wearing these currently and I'm really enjoying this look. It has been a super popular look for me in the salon. So I would recommend stocking up on these sheer nudes because my clients are literally going from one sheer nude to the other. The Lecente colours that I feel you must have for this look, I will list in the comments below with links to them. And feel free to use my code Claire10, which will save you on every Lecente order you place. So you save money every time, which is fantastic. So here we have the finished look. As I say, make sure you check that before you put it in the lamp. You want a flawless, clear, sheeny top coat application. So I'm just using my Lecente finishing wipe to remove the tacky layer before going on with my cuticle oil. So again, this look is all about the polished finish. So your clients want nice, clean, nourished cuticles. So this is where you're going to tell them that they need to be oiling their cuticles daily. Because if they go out and they end up with crusty cuticles after a week, that is going to ruin this look. So by applying cuticle oil daily, we're going to be keeping those cuticles and surrounding skin as neat and clean as possible. Massaging your cuticle oil in daily is not only going to nourish your nail and surrounding skin, it's going to help your gel manicure last longer, and it's also going to promote nail growth. So your nails are going to grow quicker and healthier. So again, another key to perfecting this look, especially if you're photographing the nails after you have finished, is to give them a good polish up with a lint-free wipe. This is going to make the nails look fabulous for when the client leaves the salon, and it's also going to make them perfect for photographing. So here is my finished lip gloss nails. I hope you enjoyed this. I am loving this look and it's going to be everywhere in 2023. So like I say, I would stock up on your Clean Girl Nail products. Yeah, so that's it. Hope you've enjoyed. If you do enjoy, please do like and subscribe.